Let's be brutally honest about it. AI can design faster than you, cheaper than you, and at a scale. But one thing AI cannot do is lead. That's why the next wave of senior designers won't win because they make a pretty screen. They will win because they make a powerful decision. So today I'm going to give 8 leadership skills that every senior designer must have to stay relevant in 2026. Plus, I will give you the reality check about the AI-driven job crisis company never tells you. The design industry is shifting fast and AI tools are automating the design and process. And hiring have slowed down. And companies are not only looking for a good designer, they are looking for a good design leader. So if you have to stay competitive in 2026, you have to evolve from the designer who wait for the design task versus a design leader who make the right decision. So let's break all the leadership skills that will make you invaluable. So let's start with the most important skill for 2026, strategic thinking, not just the execution. And trust me, this is what separates every designer from a great one. Now AI can create a screen in seconds, but AI can't think strategically. Only you can, and company hire you for your thinking. In 2026, the real design leader understands these things very clearly. What the business wants, what the market needs, and what the user are struggling with, how the product will grow, and how your design will help them move forward. And this is going to create the difference between how you design the UI versus how your design improve the retention, revenue, and user experience. So AI can create screens, but you will think strategically. Skill number 2, strong decision making. We are living in AI era, and that means we are drowning in information. Every dashboard, every AI tool, and every team will throw the data at you which you have not used yet. And here is the truth, great leader don't freeze, leader decides. So as a designer today, you must learn how to prioritize what matters, cut out the noise, take action even when things are not perfect, and own your decisions when things go wrong. So great designer can create a lot of options, but great designer will make the decision. Skill number 3, cross-functional collaboration. In 2026, design is not a solo job. You have to work with product manager, analyst, engineers, and data scientist, researcher, marketing and sales team. But here is the real skill. You don't have to only show a pixel or a design. You have to explain things very clearly so that everybody understands the why behind your design. So you can say things like, here is why we have solved this problem, and here is why users were struggling, here is the outcome that you wanted to achieve as a business, and here is how this supports the business too, which adds to a revenue. So great designers are not just who design, they align team and unite people around the common shared vision. Skill number 4, AI augmented design skill. And this is the part where max of the designer are going to avoid, but you can't do anymore if you want to become a leader. So if you don't want to work how to work with AI, someone else will, and they will be faster, cheaper, and more adaptable than you. As a design leader in 2026, you must understand these things, like how to use the AI in your workflow, how to give AI a clear and effective instruction, and how to keep your idea original, not generic, and how to use AI responsibly and ethically. So AI is not here to replace the design leader, but it will replace the designer who work like a robot. So here is a message that you need to tell your team in 2026. So designer who ignore the AI will fall behind, and designer who master it will lead the industry. Skill number 5, mentoring and coaching. And this is going to be crucial part even as of now as being a design leader. Leadership is not all about doing everything by yourself. It's about helping your team become better. Junior need direction, mid-level designer need clarity, and everyone need a leader who can explain things why everything matters. The great senior designer role is going to share the simple framework, give clear and actionable feedback, help others grow and build confidence, and create clarity in the work. So the future belongs to a design leader who create an amazing team, not just a strong portfolio. Skill number 6, storytelling and communication. Here is the most new designer never learns. Leadership is the 40% communication. So as a design leader, you need to explain the complex problem in a simpler way, influence and guide a stakeholder, defend your design decision with clear logic, Tell a story that makes your design feel meaningful. So here is the truth. If you can't tell the story behind the screen, people will not support you, even if the design itself is amazing. Skill number 7. Handling criticism and ambiguity. 2026 is going to be messy year. Roadmap going to shift every week. Team switches direction overnight, and AI brings new risk and new opportunities. A real design leader don't panic. They don't blame each other. They don't hide behind the process. They learn, they adapt, and stay calm throughout the process. Ambiguity can overwhelm junior designer, but leaders know how to navigate it. Skill number 8. Outcome-driven mindset. You have to stop measuring the design in older way, like how many screens you have created, how pixel perfect it is, how many features you have delivered. You have to start measuring design by the impact it creates, how many users stay and return, and how well it convert, and how it support business goal, and how successful user feel using it. Great design leader don't just deliver the UI, they deliver the real impact. Now the bonus tips. AI driven job crisis. Here is the truth most people don't want to admit. Hiring in design have been slowed down. AI have replaced many of the UI generalist job, and company now wants people who can do more than just the visual. They're looking for a hybrid designer who can do the UX, strategy UX, business UX, AI UX, and research. Today, leadership in design is not about being good at one thing. It's about being a multidimensional. The more skill you connect, the more valuable you become. So in 2026, design leadership is not about making the amazing visuals. It's about making the right decision which make the impact. AI can replace the task, but AI can't take the true leadership. So if you really like the video and want to become a design leader, hit like, subscribe, and comment leadership so that I know you have made it till the last of the video. See you in the next video.